Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. The week ahead looks like it will be an active week for us with daily chances for rain showers and thunderstorms. Every now and again, a strong storm could sprout for us. We'll be watching the chance for one or two of those tonight, but the rest of this week is also going to be super muggy. All of that humidity is going to lead to some of those storm chances, even though temperatures, they look rather seasonable for this time of the year. Here's your home view as we head into tonight. We've got some cloud cover lingering from some showers and storms that have been since dissipating over the last half hour or so. We jump over to radar so you can see a couple of scattered showers and storms near Stanton and working their way towards Winchester. There is a cell that's going to be bringing some heavy rain there in the central Clark County. We go back towards southern Fayette, some rain pockets in there, and then back into Lawrenceburg area. We've got some showers and storms sort of bubbling up and then fizzling out again. If we move back down to the south, we don't see much. The storm that's been dissipating as it's been working across Laurel County. Everybody else dry at this time. There is a level 1 risk for isolated severe storms tonight across central Kentucky. Not expecting much to come out of it, though, at this point. We've got that front, a cold front, and then it kind of turns stationary as it goes to the central plains. That is going to sort of park itself where it is now for tomorrow. So we'll see likely another round of scattered activity, rather sporadic, coming in for us as we head into the afternoon. And really every day looks just like that as we go through this week. Here's what Futurecast thinks of all of it as we head into tonight. Not bad, missing some of the storms ongoing through central Kentucky, but says that most of this activity is pretty much wrapped up by 10 p.m. A couple of isolated chances develop in western Kentucky early tomorrow morning. They try to make their way through into tomorrow afternoon. Very isolated opportunity for us. Otherwise, partly cloudy for our afternoon on Tuesday. More development later in the evening. Again, see that front sort of stalling out there, and then another wave sort of developing up in behind that will bring us some isolated chances. But I do think most of Tuesday is going to be dry. Then we go into Wednesday with a similar look, maybe some spotty showers early, more isolated storms that are going to pop up for us late. Each day really kind of sitting between spotty and scattered. Some days maybe a little better than others, but really depends upon how those waves react as they come in. You'll notice this goes all the way into early next week as well. Of course, the further out we get, the more changes you can expect to see. That really is the next big thing. We've got wave after wave Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Some spotty showers and storms are in the mix too. Not going to beat this one too long, but the point is that we'll need to watch for these storms as we head into your week, and there could be some soggy spots in the mix. As far as rainfall is concerned over the next 7 days, Futurecast not too excited about how much we could get, anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch on the widespread side of things, and ultimately it is going to be that way for us even into early next week. Here's your daily highs and lows. You're going to see it on the 7-day again too, but it's pretty much near average. This is the part, the oppressive dew points all week long, that's really going to be felt. So sweaty conditions across the board, even though we'll be in pretty much the upper 80s every single day.
Download